audio crackling, popping noises, or random sound stuttering on Windows 11 can completely ruin your experience when listening to music or gaming. This annoying issue is usually caused by outdated driver configurations or system sound enhancements that conflict with your hardware. Here is how to fix your sound instantly by adjusting two options. First, let's reset your active audio controller configuration layout. Right-click on the sound speaker icon located in the bottom right corner of your taskbar and click on Sound Settings. Scroll down to the Advanced section block at the bottom area and click on More Sound Settings to open the classic Audio Device Manager window. Second, locate your primary playback device or speaker icon from the grid list. Right-click it and open Properties. Click directly on the Enhancements tab located at the top layout navigation bar inside the pop-up menu workspace. Check the box labeled Disable all enhancements to stop software processing from distorting your sound. Finally, click on the Advanced tab on the same Audio Properties menu box frame. Click the drop-down menu under the Default Format section list to change your audio sample rate, channel output quality. Switch the selection grid item to 24-bit 48,000 Hz studio quality or 16-bit 44,100 Hz CD quality. This matches the standard audio buffer processing rates for most apps, instantly clearing up audio pops and latency stutters. Click Apply, then click OK on all boxes. If this quick sound fix guide helped you get crystal clear audio back, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more simple tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.